Hey guys, welcome back to Container Crops, the Scaredy Cat Gardener. I am outside today in my garden and we're getting ready to plant onions. I'm planting onions for a spring harvest. There are two types of onions, short day and long day. And I'll explain all that in just a moment.
Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.
We are back, and before we get started, if you are not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and make sure you set it to all so you'll always get my videos when I upload them. Don't forget, if you get anything out of this and you enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share it out. Now back to the short and long day onions. I have here some onions. These are just the ends of onions that I've previously used and cooked with. And this is what we're getting ready to plant. These are typically your sweeter onions, the purple onions, the yellow sweet onions that you see in the store, even the white onions. Those are your shorter day onions. And the two types of short day and long day, and it's pretty much based off of the amount of daylight that they need. Onions need lots of drainage. They like good drainage, and they also like lots of sun. So I'm going to plant these now. I am in zone 7B, and planting them now will give me a harvest somewhere towards the middle to the end of spring. So let's go on over and get these planted. So I've decided to use this bed. They're going to be next to my pot choy, my Swiss chard that's growing, and here is a random mustard green that's popping up. I'm going to plant some now, and I'm going to plant some in a couple of weeks. And like I said, these are just onions that I've used, that I've cut off of. All I need to do is pretty much stick them in the dirt here. So they need to go in about 1/4 of an inch deep. I'm sorry, an inch deep and about 4 inches apart. So you just want to push this in. I am putting the bottom part where you can see the actual, where the old roots were. Put that down in there, facing down. Push those in there. Put another one over here. I'm going to try to keep the same ones at the same area. Just push them down. I'll start my purple ones over here. Now I'm not measuring or anything. I'm not sure if it's quite 4 inches apart, but I think they're good enough. And I'm just going to take them around. I have 2 more in here, so I'm just going to take them around this little random mustard green here. Sure, it's about 1 inch deep. And I have 1 more in here. We're just going to put it right here. And I had already prepared this bed, so I don't really need to do anything else to it. But we are going to get her fed just a little bit here. The soil is already kind of damp, but you always want to go in and just give your plants a little water when you put them in. We will actually feed them a nitrogen-based fertilizer at about a couple of weeks in. Okay guys, we are all done for today. Thanks for coming and hanging out with me in my garden today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and hit that thumbs up. Share the video out. I really would appreciate it. And remember, anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. And I'll see you on the trail.
You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside all all the time.